Sometimes I wish I'd do a little bit better job doing history on a boat. So it says it expires 5/20 with Florida registration. Had him on the schedule to get in because he wouldn't start. Came in, starter was sitting on the back deck. So put a new starter on, now it turns over. He said it wasn't turning over originally. So I got to turn over and start. It wouldn't stay running because the carburetor was just sitting there dumping fuel in it. But while we were able to get it to run, we tried to shift it and things didn't happen right. And it's been jury rigged. As you can see, that's a thumper pump that's from AutoZone for $20 instead of the original one that's in there. And we're finding some other things also. So I didn't want to shift. This was really yucky in there. We've cleaned out a lot of that. It's silver stuff that was in there. This was improperly tied, so it couldn't flop like that. That rod wouldn't move. This is your inner shift cable that it's got to move, but it wasn't moving. Someone's been really harsh on that. Loosen up with the screwdriver. But this is the shifter, and that is, well, that moved now, but it is really hard. It should just flop back and forth, and it can't be that tight. So something's going on. Something's going on in the lower unit, or that shift rod's bent because someone put it up with it not in forward and it pushed that over. Anyway, that's where we are. That's why I wasn't shifting, is because that doesn't move like it's supposed to. It just flop back and forth, just moving the clutch dog. So there we are.